Hey everybody, I said a couple weeks ago that I would show you how to do or make a zipper jig without spending 40 bucks. My whole little contraption here, I believe, cost me $4.50. I will put links in the video. I got this at Home Depot. It's a 2-inch spring clamp. Wait, no, not Home Depot, I apologize. I got this at Lowe's, but you can get them at Home Depot. Crazy strong. I picked up some forks over at Goodwill. I found this was the easiest one for me to bend. Like literally I was able to bend it. You can probably bend this. Oh yeah, this one bends too. So the goal here is to just bend it down. And I didn't say it was easy. So there you go. That's it. That's all you want to do. You just got to bend it like that. So you got to take the tines upside down, tines go up. That's it. It's that simple. Then all you do, doesn't matter which one you want to use. I'll use this one. Clamp it onto your table. See how it's forked up, see that? That's it. That's all you want. Again, $5 whole, I think, maybe 4. I think this was $3.59 and this cost me, I think they're 5 cents or 10 cents at Goodwill. And they work great. So what you want to do is take your zipper head, put it between the tines. You want to put it so that you see the flat side and so the pull side goes down, just like so. Then you take your zipper tape. I burn the ends, makes it easier to get it into both sides evenly. I'm a freak about it being even. I don't like it uneven. So you just open it up, pop it in. I'm making that sound harder than it is. Hold on. That was all me. And that's it. It's on and you're done. So then we'll take this one because I'm working on some little pouches. And I'm going to burn the end on this one. I don't really want to burn the coil, I just want to burn the tape. Again, basically upside down. And when you put it on the tines, you want to put it between that goes in the center of the tines there, like that. Open this up. All right, hooba-dooby. Just like that. Poke it in, line it up, pull it down. That's it. And you're done. See how simple that was? And everybody can pick this up and it doesn't cost $40. I like my zipper jig, do not get me wrong, but this is doing exactly what I wanted to do. So for $5 or under, you can do this. So hopefully that helps you guys out and I'll add links to the top of this post.